The old roof, which was polycarbonate roof, was leaking, and we'd had somebody come to look at it to see if they could repair it, and they said they'd have to take all the panels off and put new seals in every panel. So we then started looking to see what alternatives were available. We went to one that was based in Darlington, I can't remember the name now, and I'm afraid we took an instant dislike to the chap that came, and his quote was outrageous. It was just ridiculous, about £20,000. And when we said that was far too expensive, that's when he started with the discounts. We could knock a bit off for this, a bit off for that. And if you sign up today, we can knock a bit more off. And we went to Garforth to look at the roofs in Garforth first, and then arrange for somebody to come and do a site visit and give us a quote. But we liked him when he came. I can't remember his name now, but whoever it was. You know, some people you take an instant dislike to. And he was very, very nice, charming, went through all the things, showed us an example of what the roof was going to be like, and what you did. Said you would do it in a day, or it'd be waterproof in a day. Gave us a price, and they said, that's it, no discounts, we give you one price, and that's the best price we can give you. Well, we got an email first to say they would start on the Friday with scaffolding, which happened, they came, and then they would start on the Monday, which they did. They came, covered everything up, we didn't have to move anything, covered everything up, took the old roof off, took it all away. By dinner time the new roof had arrived, and they got that up and waterproof. Same with the plasterers, they came, covered everything up, hoovered up afterwards, and yeah, we had no complaints with them at all. One of the biggest pluses has been we've got a radiator in here now, and it's a lot warmer. We've had last winter over it, and it's a room rather than being like a tack on.